Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tape measures that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Molewark 25 feet metric tape measure. If you like the way Milwaukee marks the 48 to 22 minus 6,625's measuring tape but can't stomach its faults, check out the Molewark MLK 53752. The markings are similar, marking out feet, inches, and the fractions for each inch. It features a magnetic hook, and, like the Lufkin Black Widow, the Molework's measures are also printed on the bottom. However, I was annoyed by the Molework's rubber wrist strap. It was stiff and kept poking me as I used the tape measure. If you buy the Molewark, consider cutting off the strap. It makes this tool a lot more pleasant to use. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Craftsman tape measure. If you prefer a tape measure with minimal measurement markings, making room for larger, easier to read numbers, the Craftsman Chrome could be right for you. The black-on-white print on its tape is large and easy to read, with red accents to highlight each foot along the tape. The tape's hook is identical to the one found on the STANLEY FatMax and DeWalt's DWHT 36107. However, the tape itself isn't as thick as either of these tools, causing it to quickly droop and bend once extended. When dropped, the Craftsman's case easily presents scuffs or dents, presenting an argument against its long-term durability. At number 3, we have the STANLEY tape measure. The STANLEY PowerLock has a lot in common with the STANLEY FatMax. The blades on both tools stand up well against abrasion and feature similarly styled, easy-to-read measurement text. I like the fact that the body of the PowerLock measures exactly 3 inches in length. This makes it possible to easily use it as part of any measurement you're taking, an incredibly useful feature in tight spaces. Unfortunately, the PowerLock can't match the FatMax, or our main pick, where durability is concerned. After dropping it, its chromed body shows a number of scratches. That said, its tape and lock button still worked just as well as before I beat it up. I was disappointed to find that while the PowerLock's tape looks similar to the FAT-MAX's, it's slightly narrower, making it more difficult to read. At number 2, we have the Comoon 5425 Gripper Acrylic Coated Steel Blade. The print on the Comoon Gripper's tape is relatively easy to read. It includes fractions for each inch as well as a colored number for each foot after the first foot of the tape. However, unlike our main pick, the Gripper's tape is only printed on one side. This tape measure stands up to being dropped, not showing a single mark afterward. The Gripper's name feels like a bit of a misnomer. The hook on the end of its tape was smooth and shallow, making it challenging to hook it onto the edges of some things. And finally, at number 1, we have the Couture 25 FT tape measure. The main thing that the Couture 56 minus 7,525 has going for it is that its tape comes with markings for both metric and imperial measurements. After being dropped, the Couture will start to make a purring/whirring noise inside its case when moving the blade. However, the retraction and extending the tape measure continues to work just fine. The main issue with the Couture is the movement of its blade when it's supposed to be locked in position. The tape rolls back, slightly, into the case when the thumb lock is engaged, changing the measurement. Additionally, the hook on the end of its blade doesn't hold on edges when taking a horizontal measurement. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.